What is the specific sound, smell, or taste that instantly represents the soul of Kampala to you?
Let's go with the taxi guys. They are everywhere.
I agree. Number 4, if you had to choose a permanent Kampala walk soundtrack, or are you choosing the non-stop honking of taxis or the dramatic market sellers calling out for clients?
That's tricky. I've been thinking about the sounds that represent Kampala. And there is the clapping. I don't know if you've noticed the clapping.
They clap a lot.
Yeah, when they're trying to
Get attention.
Border,
of taxi.
Because most of my guests are always asking me, why is everyone clapping? So clapping is a sound.
Is everyone so happy in Kampala?
It's a Kampala sound, yeah.
Okay. Now, this is the very last one. If exploring Kampala on foot was dating, is it a toxic red flag or a deeply misunderstood green flag?
Depends on who is walking.
And why they're working.
Yeah. Yes. I know a lot of people that think walking is a poor man's thing. A lot of people make fun of me when I am walking downtown, like, Rasta, get a real job. Rasta, why are you scamming the Mzungus? You know, people don't understand that walking is one of the best ways to connect with the environment.
Yeah.
Because using a car is okay, but you're only seeing the city from behind the glass. Walking really helps you to create meaning of your environment because you're having first-hand interaction with everything that's going on. Yeah.
Okay. So that was the end of our rapid fire question segment. So, Miti, travel always throws curveballs. Tell us about a specific experience or trip you took that went completely left, but ended up teaching you a massive lesson about human nature or Ugandan hospitality. I'm assuming this is like when you had just first started to do the Tembea walking tours, obviously. Is there any specific experience that threw you off that you weren't quite prepared for that shaped how you are conducting the tours presently?
Yeah, I still face some challenges up to now because a lot of my guests come expecting a very touristy tour. But over time, I have learned how to express that my tour is not the average touristy tour, that it's based on storytelling and conversation and engaging the guests and prioritizing their curiosity and not necessarily going to specific locations, but interacting with the whole environment. It's a bit hard to explain to someone who is booking my tour why it might take 6 hours, for example.
Yeah.
Because it feels like I'm not spending 6 hours walking, but it's not just walking.
It's not just walking, it's everything. You're learning something new every step of the way.
So you're not walking for 6 hours. Like you'd think even 3 hours are a lot, and then you end up doing it for 6 hours.
I never feel like it's enough, personally. But then again, I just really enjoy walking and walking with you, so.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, when they find out what kind of tour it is, they are happy about it.
Yeah.
But before that, it's not easy to explain because not so many people are doing tours like this.
Yeah.
Most of the tours are very structured.
Very structured, very safari, very monument and got it. If you close your eyes right now, what is the specific sound, smell, or taste that instantly represents the soul of Kampala to you? And if someone has never experienced it, how would you describe it to them?
Sound,
smell, or taste. It could be either.
Sound, smell, or taste. I would go with sound. I feel like Kampala is it's a very auditory city, like it
It's quite
expresses
loud.
through sound.
Yeah, it's quite loud.
So, let's go with the taxi guys. They are everywhere.
I agree.
They're everywhere. So wherever you go, there's some taxi guys shouting out the location and the prices and calling you out. And for me, it would also be the word Rasta. Because everywhere I go, people feel like they should shout out the word Rasta at me, and then me, I should be able to, be friendly and not be pissed, even though sometimes I don't want to be social and I don't want to talk.
They expect to be automatically a chill guy.
Yes. Yeah. So Rasta, 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 Mzungu, 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 and then the guys. Yeah, exactly. Like, are you going? Let's take the border. Why are you making the Mzungus walk? It's like, I have this specific sound tailored to me whenever I go to the city. Yeah.
I feel like one time you should try and record it. Like, if it's possible, you should just like have a recording when you're walking through.
I have recorded some of it, yes.
Okay, that's great. Why do you think so many locals are blind to the beauty of their own backyard? What is the one thing that we're all missing by sitting behind tinted car windows and watching life happen through social media reels?
I feel like the average Ugandan, especially the Ugandans living in the city, they are very curious about their own city. How I know this is last month we put up a sketch tour and put out a call just like a week before the date. And so many people turned up.
Yeah.
And this shows that Ugandans are eager to explore the city and to engage with it.
Yeah.
But the challenge is that we do not have enough public spaces in the city for people to come and just exist. Kampala is not a city where you can just come and exist because the public spaces that are in place, some of them are gazetted off, like the Sheraton Gardens or the Constitutional Square. So Ugandans are missing out not because they're not curious, but because
there's no area.
Yes, the infrastructure does not provide for only existing. When you go to downtown Kampala for the first time, you want to just go, buy what you came to buy, do what you came to do, and go back out into the suburbs. And yet,
there's more to do.
There's more to do only if we can have more public spaces. And so this is where I come in to help to calm down the chaos for the guests, to kind of create some sort of calmness by the stories I'm telling, to make people feel like it's not just chaos. Actually, if you come down and observe, you realize it's very interesting.
Organized
like
chaos.
Just be part of it.
Yeah.
Don't see yourself like someone just coming to the chaos. You just be part of it and go with the flow.
Do you think the recent initiative with KCCA to clean up Kampala and make it, less disorganized, do you think it in any way supports your vision for Ugandans going downtown to safely sit and, observe and see what's happening? Because when you look at, there's an area, I could butcher the names because those buildings actually really confuse me out, but there's an area that is like at the descent of the taxi park. If we see from this image.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. You're talking about Namirembe Road.
Not even Namirembe Road. Like there's just another walkway. Okay, so it's been cleaned out, right?
Yes.
The places where the borders can't pass now, where people can actually have a seat. So do you think if they continued with that kind of initiative of like cleaning up, and do you think it would help in any way for Ugandans to comfortably go downtown and,
Yeah, definitely it's helping. The new administration of the KCCA has helped to clear sidewalks. For a long time, I didn't even realize some places had sidewalks because the sidewalks were always filled by vendors.
Yeah.
And now there's more walking space.
Yes.
We can access the commercial buildings. We can access the public markets easily because the sidewalks are free.
Yeah.
And the city is more aesthetic and it's looking cleaner. But as a person that has been doing these tours way before they made these reforms, I'm also torn between whether the city is supposed to be clean and aesthetic or functional. Because now I'm thinking, where are all these vendors earning money?
Yeah.
Because as we all know, the public markets are full to the brim. And these vendors can barely, rent one of these commercial buildings. So the commercial buildings are becoming higher and higher, and they're just empty. These people have been chased off the streets. The streets look cleaner and more aesthetic, and me and my guests are enjoying the streets.
Yeah.
But then maybe petty crime might increase.
Yes, 100%.
So I am torn between enjoying the city
and then worrying
about
rightfully
the
because
petty crime.
If this is someone's source of income and it's taken away without an exact solution, because you would think that by the time that they're chased off of the streets, there's already a place designated for them to do their work. But instead, it's like, just get off and figure it out.
Exactly. Yeah. So I hope that the KCCA makes more public markets where these people can go, and not way out of the city.
Yeah.
Because the purchasing power is in the city area, the busy area. So if they invest more in public markets, then it would be justifiable to chase all the vendors off the streets. Otherwise, developed countries that have been developed for many years, more than us, have found a way to integrate street vendors with within the city. It doesn't mean that when street vendors are out of the city, then now the city is perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the city is for the people.
It just looks aesthetically pleasing.
Yes.
But the people are not benefiting.
Yes.
Completely. So I want us to wrap this up by you talking about your typical tours. Previously, it was tip best for Ugandans. I don't know, has that changed? What are the charges? Is that information that you can share freely? How can people reach out to you when they want to booking tours?
So I have a website, tembeatours.com.
Okay.
That's TEMBA. MB. Oh, sorry. That's TEMBEA tours.
Yes.
.com. And there you can find all the different tour categories, and charges apply only for people from foreign cultures outside Uganda. Ugandans can always access these tours free. They just have to offer a tip.
Yes.
Because I'm trying to encourage Ugandans to explore their own city.
Yeah.
Through walking, and to be encouraged to walk and not see walking as a poor man's activity, because we need to make Kampala more walkable. And if more people start walking, maybe the KCCA will do more of the pavements as we see. Yeah, and make the city more, suitable for the locals to experience, and not just a place to go through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so for people to find your services, all they have to do is go to www.tembeatours.com. There'll be a catalog with all the packages. They can reach out to you on your Instagram as well.
And my Instagram is Tembea Kampala Walking Tours.
Yes.
Yes.
You mentioned the sketch
tour.
A sketch tour happening.
We have another sketch tour, the second sketch tour on the 25th, this Saturday.
Yes.
25th of July, this Saturday. The last sketch tour, we explored Nakasero.
Yes.
One of the 7 hills that make up Kampala. And this next sketch tour, we're going to explore Kololo. One of the other 7 hills.
Yes.
So every month we explore one hill until the end of 7 months.
For the 7 hills?
Yes. And then we shall start exploring other neighborhoods and suburbs. Through sketching and conversation and storytelling. Come with your sketchbooks and pens and pencils, whatever you use for drawing. And this is mainly helping to target domestic guests, because most of my guests have been Muzungus.
Yes.
But now I'm tapping into the locals also.
Okay.
Yes.
When people finish a walk with you or travel under your guidance, what is the deeper realization you want them to live with? What do you want them to feel about Uganda that a textbook or a travel brochure could never teach them?
So my tour is meant to help people to make sense of what Uganda is. Like we said at the beginning, you can find the gorillas elsewhere, like in Rwanda. You can find giraffes in Tanzania. You can find buffaloes. I mean, not that we do not have them here. We have them and you should see them. And you can find waterfalls too, but you can find them elsewhere. But there's something unique about the capital city of a country.
Yeah.
It helps you learn about the people themselves. So at the end of the day, I want my guests to leave the tour feeling like they have made sense of Uganda through walking on the streets of Kampala. And I want them to feel like they know what Uganda is and to feel comfortable with the country. So usually my tour is like a cultural induction for a guest from a foreign culture. I always tell people, like, I should be the first person you see when you come to Uganda. Like, before you even see anything else, you should come.
You should
like,
see me first.
Yes. I'm not overselling myself here. This is the truth. My tour is a cultural induction for people from foreign cultures to make sense of the country. And I feel like people who take my tour, as soon as they arrive, have a way more informed stay about how to interact with our culture and our history and how we live and our contradictions and the good things too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that is a wrap. We love to watch the city from behind the screens, but you haven't truly seen Kampala if you haven't walked the streets, met its vendors, and felt its pulse. So kill the hesitation. And if you're watching this thinking Kampala looks like an adventure, stop watching it from afar and book an experience. Everything Uganda has the perfect city experiences and packages for you. The WhatsApp numbers are right on the screen. All you have to do is WhatsApp us and we shall curate a nice Kampala tour for you. Now, Miti, you can check out Miti's social media. Miti's Instagram, his personal is Miti Kinawola.
Miti Kinawola.
Miti Kinawola. And then you also have Tembea Walking Tours, Kampala Sketch Tours.
Yes.
Yes. So that is where you can find him on Instagram. Miti, it was such a pleasure having you today.
Thank you for having me.
And I look forward to more. I feel like we barely scratched the surface with our tours personally. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to coming back for more.
I'll be ready to have you.
Yay.